Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu reports the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in prostration and the polytheists encircled him, whereas Uqaba bin Abi Mu'ayt fetched a tripe of a camel and put it on the back of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not lift the head until Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha came and removed it from the back and invoked Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against him who did so. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, control the chiefs of the Quraysh. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, control Abu Jahl bin Hisham, Utbah bin Rabi'a, Shaybah bin Rabi'a, Uqba bin Abi Mu'ayt, Umayyah bin Khalaf. So I witnessed their dead bodies lying on the ground of Badr. Then they were flung into a well except Umayyah bin Khalaf or Ubay bin Khalaf, for his dead body had extremely swollen, and when it was dragged, his joints dislocated before being thrown in the well. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3185.